Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, which most certainly is very critical. Velo especially has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005. Lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo's EMA10 generally shows a really descending pattern. Truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. 02 July 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly fundamentally got clarification on some things, facts. What for the most part is momentary cost expectation for Velo, truly is Velo a very wise venture? Velo support and opposition levels and so forth. In any case prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Velo specialized examination, basically let us truly discuss the especially current economic situations, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172 in a for the most part huge manner. The especially absolute exchanging volume sort of stands at $24,077,659,794, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a fundamentally significant manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19%. So Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% in an exceptionally significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, which basically is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time period, or so they fundamentally thought. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 1.54 and right now exchanging at 48 cents. Or so they explicitly thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum, has seen a value decline of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, in a kind of huge manner. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market especially is going in a fundamentally descending heading for kind of present moment, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value decline of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours. In every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking, right now, a truly broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market really is going in a kind of descending bearing for kind of present moment, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, or so they all things considered thought. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which explicitly shows that market investigation over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,195,617,921,172, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become all the more really dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Especially further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value reduction of 0.51%, coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very critical. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which vendors fundamentally become move sort of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an essentially significant manner. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution, as per value examination market file. Velo sort of is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, showing how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Velo specialized investigation. Generally, let us explicitly discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. However, Velo in every practical sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the especially last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week with an exceptionally complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, exhibiting how XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, for the most part is up by 1.54 and presently exchanging at 48 cents, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 02 July 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, for the most part made sense of beneath further appearance how Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33% in a by and large enormous manner. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving sort of normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly basic moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Velo, exhibiting that market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There truly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,195,617,921,172 in a sort of large manner. The sort of relative strength file, RSI, shows that the Velo coin truly is an oversold stage, as RSI in a real sense is at 30. So 02 July 2023. In this video, we will especially walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for pretty 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these regularly for the most part, gotten clarification on some things facts. What in every practical sense is especially transient cost expectation for Velo, especially is Velo a by and large wise venture, which in a real sense is very huge. The Velo United States dollar moving kind of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker for the most part, is showing a very present moment fundamentally sell especially signal, as the MACD line in a real sense is moving underneath in every way that really matters.